In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a one-page Squarespace website. If you want a clean, simple website that keeps everything in one place, a one-page layout is a great option. It works especially well for portfolios, personal brands, small businesses, landing pages, or any site where you want visitors to scroll through your content instead of clicking through lots of separate pages. In this walkthrough, we're focusing on the basic setup inside Squarespace so you can prepare your site structure the right way. To get started, log into your Squarespace dashboard and open the site you want to edit. Once you're inside, look over to the main navigation area and click on Website. This is where Squarespace lets you manage the front-end structure of your site, including pages, layout, and overall website organization. If you're new to the platform, take a second to notice how everything is grouped. Getting comfortable with this area will make the rest of the process much easier. After that, click on Pages. This section shows all of the pages currently included in your website. Depending on the template or starter setup you're using, you may already see several default pages here. That's completely normal. Squarespace often gives you a pre-built structure to help you get started quickly, but for a one-page website, you usually want to simplify things. Now, go through the list of pages and delete every page except the home page. The goal here is to leave yourself with a single main page that visitors will land on and scroll through. This is the foundation of a true one-page site. As you remove the extra pages, make sure you don't accidentally delete the home page, since that will be the central page you build on. If Squarespace asks you to confirm the deletion, review the page name first and then continue. This cleanup step is important because it removes distractions and keeps your website structure focused. Instead of sending visitors to multiple pages, you'll be able to organize all your key sections directly on the home page, which creates a smoother and more intentional browsing experience. Once you finish deleting the extra pages, your site is ready for the next stage of building out your one-page design. At this point, your Squarespace setup is much cleaner, easier to manage, and aligned with the one-page approach. That's it for this part of the process. You now have the basic page structure in place for a one-page Squarespace website.